Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to upload a bio on Skype. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to upload a bio on Skype. Maybe because you want to write something in your bio, like you want to describe about yourself, or maybe you just want to add any kind of quote, or maybe you have seen something on the internet, it really inspired you and you want to add it as your bio. Or it could be any other reason for you to upload a bio on Skype. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skype from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Skype app looks. We have options almost all over the screen. At the bottom, we have four options. This one is for the chats, this one is for calls, and this one is for the contacts, and this last one is for the news. So what we have to do is that here we just have to simply click on our profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. It has your name initials, or if you have uploaded a picture it will appear here. So for that, just simply tap on its icon to open this option. Once you get here, you will see different options on your screen. So from all these options, what we have to do here is that we just have to simply select this second option. This one, you could say, through this option we could easily upload our bio, or you could say our description. In your description or bio, you can type about yourself, like who you are, what are your interests, what are your hobbies, or you can just simply type about a quote. If you have seen something on the internet, it really inspired you, so you can type about it, or maybe whatever comes to your mind, you can upload it. There is no limitation to it. Whatever you like, you just can type it. And if you don't want to type anything, like you don't know what to type, there's nothing in your mind to type, then we have some suggested one, or you could say the default ones, bios or the statuses that we can select. So here we have a list of bio or description. You just have to simply tap on any one of these and they will get selected and they will get on the top. But if you don't want to go with that, then simply you can type whatever comes to your mind. You just have to remove it, and after that, with the help of keyboard, you can type anything. Or we have another option through which you can select any kind of emojis of your choice. There is a list of emojis available. You just have to simply tap on any one of these and it will be pasted. So like this, you can either type your status, or you can choose from the pre-default ones, or maybe you can select any kind of emoji of your choice. Here I have typed my description like this. You can also type it. After that, you have to simply click on save option, this one, and if you get back to your profile, there you will see your bio, or you could say a description or about me has been uploaded on your profile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload your bio on Skype. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.